Good Monday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And I'm joined as always by Craig Smith, the founder and publisher of Europa.com. Good morning. Welcome, Craig.
Hey, Winston, how are you? Exciting Monday. Great that we're another week of Coffee with Craig.
Yes, another week of Coffee with Craig. Ready for the headlines, I guess.
Ready and willing for the headlines. Yes.
Okay, so today we'll start in Romania, and WD Group has expanded its industrial portfolio with a major acquisition. Panattoni is opening a major manufacturing plant near Poznan, and City Point Targovic is expanding its next expansion, which is underway, and Glamco is to build a mixed-use complex in Gdynia's marina.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Yeah, great. A lot going on. And yeah, the marina, I saw their press release on that. Looked very nice. And I think last week they had the big opening, or the big press conference up there. So good to see. So a lot happening, as you can see, on the commercial real estate market. And we are constantly working on our next magazines, which will be our Europa Property Investment Guide for Expo Real and in Europa Property Retail Guide for Mapping. Next two big events, don't miss them, are CRE Awards in Hungary, October 15th, and our CEE Investment Awards, October 29th, right after that in Warsaw. You can still save €1,000 on a table if you book this month before the prices go up. It's good till July 31st. So if you're around and not on holiday and want to do something before then, let us know. Just drop us a quick message and we'll reserve a table for you. Having said that, we'll take a little break and we'll come right back with Winston Norman in the news. So welcome back, and Winston, great. Sounds like very exciting headlines for this Monday morning. Let us know what's going on in more detail.
Yeah, so the highlights for today include WDP has acquired industrial projects and land from Global Worth and Global Vision, and this is around €110 million acquisition, and it includes 4 warehouses and light industrial projects, and plus land, extra land with a potential of 300,000 square meters of development in Romania. And this purchase boosts WDP's land bank or its portfolio to 2 million square meters.
Wow, so big. Yeah, WDP, they were saying earlier this year, even at our SCE Awards, they were growing, big growth plan for this year.
Yeah, they've obtained quite a lot of finance, and and they're growing, and their presence in the region is getting stronger.
Great to know.
Panattoni has completed a BTS manufacturing project for Maxes near Poznan, and this new facility will double Maxes's workforce and will be Maxes's main manufacturing hub in both Europe and global markets. And next on, staying in the industrial and warehouse industry, a JV between Partners Group and Peakside Capital has commenced construction of the C2 facility, City Point Targovic in Warsaw, and the new facility will have 25,000 square meters of industrial light space and aims for BREEAM and LEED Platinum certificates. So they're getting the whole thing for that project. So we'll be very environmentally friendly, it looks like.
Yeah, a lot going on already this week in the industrial sector in BTS.
A lot going on in the industrial sector, yeah, and it keeps growing. And this particular project is expanding to around 100,000 square meters when fully built out. And finally, for today, Glamco, in association with the Polish Yachting Association, is set to construct the Nowe Marino Gdynia, which is a mixed-use building near Gdynia's South Pier. And it's going to be a 5-story building with 20,000 square meters, and will feature many yachting amenities, headquarters for local clubs, and storage for yachts. And according to the developers, this design integrates seamlessly with Gdynia's modernist architectural heritage and is set to be completed around or in 2027.
Oh, great. Well, yeah, it's a very, very exciting project up there. Another big investment in Gdynia. You see a lot of that on the Baltics these days.
Yeah, it's good to see that the mainly Warsaw development companies are spreading their wings and going to places like Gdynia, which is a really interesting city. And yeah, it's going to get a bit of modernization there.
And probably a good idea not to just build another tower in Warsaw.
Yes.
Not that those have been great for them, but probably good to switch it up a little
that's
bit.
been working. Yeah, switch it up a bit. But yeah, so this is a mixed use building, and yeah, in on the marina up there in Gdynia, and yeah, it'd be interesting to see what that looks like when complete.
Well, hopefully they invite us up when it's when they can take a look at their yacht storage places. Yeah, very nice. And yeah, another great project for our Baltic Real Estate Awards next year. As well with the future project of the year. It fits right in with the whole theme.
Potentially.
Great. Well, that's all we have for today.
Yeah, that's all we've got time for today, Craig.
Well, we hope you all had a great weekend and safe weekend, and kicking off this Monday with some exciting news on the Coffee with Craig show. And we will see you tomorrow morning with the news once again. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.